Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stir fry with rice. First, gather your fresh vegetables like crisp bell peppers, tender broccoli, and sweet carrots. Next, select your protein. Chicken, beef, tofu, or shrimp all work wonderfully. Remember to cook your rice beforehand, ideally a day in advance, for that perfect stir-fry texture. Finally, mince about 2 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger to build a flavorful base. Now, let's get cooking. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Sear your protein until it's cooked through and slightly browned, then set it aside. Next, add your harder vegetables, like carrots and broccoli, cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, introduce softer vegetables such as bell peppers and snap peas, stir-frying for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are vibrant and crisp tender. The sauce is key to a delicious stir-fry. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For a thicker sauce, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. Return your cooked protein and vegetables to the pan. Pour the prepared sauce over everything, tossing gently for about 1 minute until all ingredients are evenly coated and the sauce has slightly thickened. Almost there. Now, it's time to bring it all together. Add your pre-cooked, ideally day-old, rice directly into the pan with the stir-fry. Toss everything together for about 2 minutes, ensuring the rice is well integrated and heated through. Garnish your masterpiece with a sprinkle of fresh green onions or toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor and visual appeal. Serve your homemade stir-fry immediately and enjoy this quick, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.